Hey everybody, it's Dave Espino, the Info Boss, and I'm here doing a quick impromptu video. I just wanted to share something with you about my new book that just came out. I'm totally excited about it. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. And what this book is all about is about creating how-to information products. I call it the world's most perfect business. And there's so many reasons why it is the world's most perfect business. So I decided I have to write a book to really explain in detail why it's the world's most perfect business. So I did that, and I was very excited. I got my very first copy this week, and then I ordered some proof copies. As you can see, it says not for resale, just has this band printed across it. And for some reason, the copies are different shade. I don't know if you can see that, but this one's a little bit nicer shade of blue, and this one's faded. I don't know if it's going to come out. Hopefully it comes out this way because it's really nice. So as I received my proof copy, I started reading through it, and I was shocked to find a lot of little errors in the book. Now, I pride myself on being really good at writing. I won spelling bees in middle school. Because I'm such a voracious reader, I spot errors all the time, everywhere. But here's an interesting little thing, and I wanted to share with you because, you know, if you're writing a book, you might run across this situation, and maybe it's something that can help you. I don't know if you can see, but here's all the little the places where I noticed errors. Every one of these little things where I marked the corner of the page is a page that had an error on the page. I was shocked. I was really shocked that I had that many mistakes in the book. So last night I went through and I corrected the original Word document and made sure that all those corrections were put in place. Then I went to Fiverr and I ordered a brand new CreateSpace and a brand new Kindle formatted version. The CreateSpace is for the physical book, and the Kindle, of course, is for the ebook on Amazon. And as soon as I get that CreateSpace version and the Kindle version back, I'm going to re-upload those. I'm going to revise my book on Amazon, on CreateSpace and Kindle, and make sure that it's absolutely perfect. So in doing that, I learned a valuable lesson, and that is, for some reason, if you're editing a Word document, in other words, digitally, you're going to tend to miss some mistakes that you made in the original writing. So it's always good to, when you get your very first copy, read through it. There's something about reading it, you know, on paper where you can, it seems like you can catch errors more easily. So it's always a good idea to reread it, proofread it, maybe get other people to read it for you and check for any mistakes and errors. Sometimes we're just really close to our product or we're in a hurry to get it done and we miss some of those little mistakes. So I'm here on a Saturday morning here at the office, ready to get some stuff done. I'm very excited. I'm so close to launching my webinar. Should be in the next week or two. The book itself is getting ready to launch as well. This is going to be an amazing book because it's going to introduce people to the power of the how-to information business and how much leverage you have when you create a how-to information product. It can be a PDF, it can be an ebook, but I prefer online video courses because online video courses allow you to charge a lot more for your content. When you can create a systematized process for somebody to follow step by step by step by step and achieve an outcome, achieve a result, now what you're doing is you're informing to transform. You're helping that person go from where they are to where they want to be. And by doing that, you can really charge a lot more money. When you can give people transformation, you can charge people a lot more money. A book can only transform so well, but a step-by-step video process showing them how to get to from A to Z, that can really give transformation. And that's why online video courses are so good, because you can actually charge more money because people will achieve a better, stronger result. So that's my video for today. I just wanted to share my new book is out. I'm very excited about it. Stay tuned to the Info Boss community. I'm going to have a link below this video so you can join the Info Boss community so you can learn about the world's most perfect business. I'm going to be putting out more content all about the world's most perfect business. In fact, that's all I'm doing from here on out. I'm focusing on one thing, and that is teaching people and helping people get into the world's most perfect business. So join that community. Check out the other links I have below for you, and I'll see you on the next video.